In this unit, we're going to begin dividing polynomials. So we're going to start off easy just by dividing something simple, such as x, or dividing by a monomial. That might be the next one. No, just dividing by x, but with remainders, getting used to the setup on how we answer if we have a remainder. But for this first one, there are no remainders, so it's a pretty simple process. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus x. And you can do this as long as you divide each term by the divisor, you can do it. So I'm going to divide each and every term by whatever's in the divisor. Now this works best if there's monomials to do it this way. If you have a binomial such as like x minus 2, it doesn't quite work as nicely because then we're going to have to divide 2x cubed by x minus 2. And I'll show you a little more what I mean right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and separate this out, divide each one by x. So I'm going to have 2x cubed divided by x minus 5x squared divided by x plus x divided by x. So each of these terms gets divided by x. Now what's x cubed over x? If you remember, x cubed is the same thing as x times x times x. So you have 3 x's on the top. One of them is going to cancel out, leaving you with 2 x's on the top. So it's going to be 2x squared. So you basically take away an x from the x cubed, and it becomes an x squared. Well, minus 5, and then same thing. X squared means we have 2 x's divided by x. One of them goes away. And then plus 1, because x over x is 1. And that's it. That's all you do. That's all you have to do to get the answer. Now, what I was saying earlier is this only works, it's not that it only works, but it works best with monomials, meaning one term. If you have something like x minus 3 on the bottom, you can't really simplify. It doesn't really, you have to divide each term by x minus 3. This doesn't simplify, this doesn't simplify, this doesn't simplify. You end up with something even more complex than what you started with. So, I mean, technically, that would have been equivalent, but it wouldn't really help us at all. So all of these are the same thing. If you look at this one, go through one more example. And if the bottom was like a 2x, which I don't think they're going to do in this assignment, but if it was like a 2x, you divide each term by that very thing, which would be 2x in that case. So let's go ahead and simplify, or separate it out, I mean. We'll simplify after that. So we're going to divide each term by x. And 5 minus 1, we're going to take an x away from the x to the 5th, gives us 3x to the 4th. Plus x cubed minus 4x. And there you go, that's the process. This one, same exact thing. This will just be 4x squared, because we take away an x from that, plus x.